In this video, we're going to reveal the #1 complaint most parents have about nannies. If you want to excel at your nanny role and make sure you're keeping the parents happy, you need to watch this video. Don't let this one complaint ruin your reputation. If we haven't met before, I'm Michelle Kelsey, founder of the Nanny Solution by Nannies on Call. Each week I bring you new videos to educate and inspire you to get better jobs and make more money. Let's dive right into it today. Comment down below before I tell you what you think the #1 complaint from parents is about their nannies. Okay, I'm not gonna make you wait till the end. The #1 mistake that most nannies make is mindless scrolling or checking their phone during their work hours. What parents say is, the nanny or babysitter was on the phone during the day and not paying attention to my child. When you're distracted on your phone, it sends a message that you're not interested in the child or taking your job seriously. It shows a lack of professionalism. There are a few ways that we hear about parents saying that nannies were on their phone the whole time. Whether you are or you aren't, because I'm gonna give a couple of examples, it leaves the parents feeling like you're not taking care of their children. So example #1, you're at the park, you pull out your phone quickly because the children are playing to just check your messages really quickly. And a friend of the family's is at the park and they will tell the family, your nanny was on the phone when they were at the park. It might have been 2 seconds. It doesn't matter. It's the impression that matters. The next is the child is old enough to see you on your phone. So they see you're on the phone, even for a moment, 5 minutes, and they tell their parents you were on your phone all day. This has happened time and time again. So the lesson here is even the smallest time on your phone can leave a bad impression. What should you do instead, and how can you avoid this mistake? First of all, put your phone on silent mode and put it away in your bag or purse. This will help limit the distraction and help you stay focused on the children. #2, communicate with the parents. Let them know that during your babysitting appointments or your nanny job, you put your phone away, put it on silent, put it in a backpack so that they know. Agree on times that you're going to contact them or they're going to contact you so that you know it's okay to check your phone at those times. Other than that, don't touch it. You can also set some expectations with the family. If the children go to bed or are down for a nap and you're having downtime, that's an okay time to use your phone. Bottom line is, don't let your phone stop you from being present and acting professionally at your nanny or babysitting job. Being attentive makes a huge difference in the children's lives and the trust that the parents place on you. It's a super quick video and a very common problem. Comment down below on what you do to make sure you're not distracted by your phone while you're working so that we can learn from each other. Have a great week.